So when you're here in the living room, the first thing that you see is the $1 million iconic Atlanta downtown skyline view. It is spectacular no matter what time of day it is. You can see it out of any window in this main living space. You can see it here, you can see it here, you can see it here. From every single angle, you get to enjoy this amazing view. So that is certainly one of my favorite features of this main living space. And the rest of it you can see as we first focus in on the living room. You have just a wall of windows that go across the main living space. And they're ceiling to floor with these gorgeous 12-foot ceilings that just allow so much light into the space. And when you look up, you see gorgeous concrete ceilings that just continues to feed into the modern industrial design of this space. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then we have these beautiful built-in shelves here that are industrial. They attach to the wall. And so it just continues to pull the concrete in, give it that industrial vibe, and continue that modern industrial look throughout the space. So plenty of space for a coffee table, for a couch, and then as we go into the kitchen space, we have an elevated counter here for amazing entertaining, so many parties, which is great. And these gorgeous pendant lights are one of my favorite features with the lighting that we have done throughout. They have metal and glass tied into them, so it just continues to fill that design. And when you come into the kitchen, you can see it's a chef's kitchen, you guys. I mean, you have everything in this kitchen to be able to have amazing dinners, amazing parties. You have a touch sensor faucet. I know, trust me, that is a usable feature. And you have a counter level range. So you don't have the knobs up on the back. It's right at the surface level of the counter, and it ties in beautifully to the black granite countertops. And then the black tile beautifully contrasts with these gorgeous refinished white cabinets. I really wanted to do white cabinets in the space and provide that high contrast level because it first brightens up the space, and then when you install these black metal hardware handles, it bounces off the white so beautifully, providing that contrast. So then you just have this gorgeous white and black contrast kitchen that both feels bright and airy, but then at the same time has that moodiness with the black elements touched in. And then I love cooking, so having this amazing chef's fridge where both doors open up and then you have the freezer down below, it just is a game changer when it comes to food prep and having ease with cooking. So this is certainly a kitchen that you would love to cook in. And then as you're cooking here, you just look straight out, and then once again, the iconic Atlanta skyline. Absolutely beautiful. Now let's head to the dining room. So often when you live in a high-rise and a high-rise residency, you lose having a dining room, you lose having an office. But we wanted to be really intentional with the design of the space. So by taking this lamp out and repositioning it here and centering it, and then putting up a highboy behind it, now I have intentionally created a dining room design in this space that doesn't feel too much. It doesn't feel overpowering. Having this beautiful marble dining table just continues to brighten up the space while still defining the space. And so now you have a beautiful dining room here for hosting. And then with working remote, there is a custom installed floating shelves that we did here, and whiteboard and desk space that all tie together. And we really wanted to play into the height of these ceilings. So that's why we did the floating shelves. But then also that's just being intentional in designing out the remote workspace so that you can enjoy working here, you can enjoy dining here, you can enjoy cooking and living, everything just under the square footage, which is so hard to find in high-rise residency living. So now that I showed you guys this, now let's head to the bedroom. Okay, so here in the bedroom space, first you'll be able to see a new installed Hampton Bay ceiling fan that is remote controlled, and the huge walls just carry your eye up as you walk into the space. So you can sit here, it's set back from the noise of the main living space and really just becomes a sanctuary and a nest to be able to take off the day and relax and unwind. So it's perfectly positioned. You have plenty of space for our dresser that we included, and mirror and sitting area. So you also have a little sitting nook in your bedroom space as well. And then when you walk into the closet, you have a gorgeous walk-in custom closet where you have cubicles and places to put your shoes and hang your clothes. It's just so well thought out and so well designed that it truly just gives you so much ample space for the size of living in a high-rise. And now one of my favorite spaces in this residency is the bathroom. So let's go take a look at that. So first that you see in here is the gorgeous white cabinetry and handles that we refinished. It just continues to flow from the kitchen into the bathroom, so it all is just so cohesive and keeps the design going. And man, is this just not the space that you want to relax at the end of the day? You've finished working and now you just want to take off the day, relax and rejuvenate in this gorgeous newly refinished shower with white tile that goes all the way to the ceiling, followed by a water pick shower, which, come on girls, if you have long hair, you love a water pick to just massage your scalp and get you feeling refreshed at the end of the day. So you also have a little custom shelf built into the shower to hold all of your toiletries. And then by the end of the day, you're feeling fully soothed and relaxed being in this bathroom. So let's go out to the outdoor living space and show you the magnificent city view. Here is the space that I truly loved designing because I am an outdoor living space kind of girl. I love being able to spend time outdoors, sip coffee, host people for tea, have a little dinner date out here. And so this extra large balcony is so much larger than a lot of the units in this building. And so we really wanted to amplify the space by putting a nice bistro table that we have loved enjoying having dinners on, and then a living space. You have enough room for 2 chairs and a coffee table right out on your balcony, which is so rare and hard to find in the city, and especially Buckhead Village. So this is a space that you can truly unwind. So as you can see, this residency has so many spaces to truly host, unwind, and enjoy the sought-after Buckhead Village lifestyle. And so thank you all for joining us on this design tour, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Please go down below and learn more about how you can come see this beautiful home.